I'm back. I'm better. I put that teddy bear you gave me in the blend. I'm back with a UNice wig. Or is it UNice? Let's see what UNice is talking about. Or UNice, or however you want to call it. It took me a long time to get this package, y'all, okay? It took me about 2 weeks, probably, to get this package. But, you know, they messaged me, you know, they were keeping in communication. So I was just like, all right, I guess. Because I was like, wait a minute, 3 to 5 days? Y'all said 3 to 5 business days. Oh no, 3 to 5 business days after it's processed. Oh, y'all should have specified that one when I was putting my card number in. But anywho, I'm gonna open this little baggie and see what it comes with. Little So we're gonna say this is a makeup brush. I'm sorry, this is the brush side. Oh, this is pretty soft. I can do something with that. A bonnet, because bitches need bonnets. You know, they gotta throw a bitch some lashes, even though I do not wear lashes, and when I do, they are not this big. But I mean, if you want to be glamorous and live your best life, go ahead. Oh, you don't know how bad I need these. Like, I am so tired of these ones. Like, I have to fold it because I still want to be able to style my hair and stuff while the lace is drying. Last but not least, the wig. It's giving auntie. It's giving auntie. It's giving me auntie, but we can work something out. I had a bob before. I'm cute, and you know, when you're cute, you can just pull certain stuff off without people, you know what I'm saying, knowing that you don't really know what you're doing. It got that little smell, so I'm gonna have to wash it. Color looking pretty uniform. It's just, I don't know, it's just something. I don't know, maybe it's because it's the bluntness of the cut. So I'll probably go in and layer it a little bit. This is not invisible lace. It's kind of clear, but it has like this tannish hue to it. After getting a HD lace wig, I just kind of stopped getting these kind of wigs, but this was literally probably the only wig that was available with the brown roots, the blonde tips, and full lace front, because some of them be trying to trick you and it don't be full lace front. Oh, the bob is bob. The bob is bob. But I'm gonna go ahead and pluck it and do all that, and I'm gonna see y'all when I get back.